Guys, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to add photos inside Google Maps. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, now the first thing you need to do is head over to your Player App Store, search for Google Maps and make sure Google Maps is updated to the latest version. Once that is done, click on Open, and then on your Maps section here, just find where you would like to add photos to that specific location or place. For this demonstration, I'm going to click this place here, McQueen's, and then once you open up that location, you'll be brought to a page similar to this. So just scroll across and click on Post, and you got a couple options here: add a post, rate and review, or add photos. In our case, we want to add photos, so click on Add Photos. I'm going to click on this one here, and then you can say something about this photo while you're here. So I'll quickly go ahead and do. Alright, I've added the description in, and it's simply a matter of clicking on Post. Wait for that to load, and there you go. That photo has been uploaded to Google Maps. So that's the end of this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching till the very end. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.